Hey there guys, this is Colton with 3D Mats, and today we're going to be showing you how to use and install the multifunctional car step ladder from 3D Mats. There are several different ways that you can configure this step ladder based on your needs, and we're going to dive in and show you step by step how to do it. Alright, first we'll take a look at the standalone configuration on this step ladder when you need the ladder to be mobile and independent of the vehicle. Simply expand the folded ladder out and set it on the ground, and then you will bring over the two support arms toward the available pinhole slots. Pull the ringed metal pin to allow the support arm to slide into place, and then release the pin to firmly lock the support arm. Simple, right? Now let's take a look at the wheel well configuration for when you want to use the ladder to access the roof of your vehicle. With the ladder freely extended, you are going to take the side of the ladder which has the top platform and point the legs toward the wheel well and slide them into place on top of your vehicle's tire. You'll most likely need to adjust the length of both sets of legs to get the angle of the ladder stable. This is done by simply pressing in the metal spring button on the leg, which will let you either extend or shorten each leg individually. Continue to adjust the legs until the ladder is level and stable, and then slide the support arms into their new available slots, which will help support the ladder. Now you can easily access your roof with the ladder conveniently positioned right next to your vehicle. The final configuration for the step ladder is when you want to utilize it off the rear of your vehicle's trunk or cargo area. This configuration is similar to the wheel well, but uses this rear brace attachment to connect the ladder. Start again by pointing the legs of the top platform side of the ladder towards the cargo area and slide the legs into the vehicle. Again, you'll need to adjust the legs to get it level, and remember to lock the support arms into place. Now the first thing to do is loosen the J-hook on the brace. Then slide the brace over the top of the ladder. Each arm has a cup shape that will allow it to rest on each leg of the ladder. Now turn the J-hook until it aligns with the rear gate attachment hook on your vehicle. Then tighten the screw until snug. This step ladder also has an extra surface attachment which installs very easily like so into the handle gap on the ladder. You will also use the pull pins and the support arms to support this extra table attachment. And there you have it. This step ladder is incredibly versatile, and it is a great accessory for any of your outdoor adventures. Now, if you'd like to learn more about this step ladder from 3D Mats, you can get more information in the video description below. Thank you guys so much for watching.